Hi, my name is Jasenia and I'm here at the LA Convention Center at the AOA convention. I am looking to interview some construction developers and some building code compliance experts. Follow me. So what is your area of expertise? What cities do you focus in? What is your jurisdiction, or what areas does your company work in?
We're CCS. Obviously, we work all throughout LA. We go as far north as Ventura County, as far south as San Diego, as far as east as the Inland Empire, and we have projects all throughout the city of Los Angeles.
I noticed your shirt says, ask me about ADUs, so I'm gonna ask you about ADUs.
Of course. So an ADU is an accessory dwelling unit. This is a residential that is going to be in the same lot as a single family home. So it could be attached, a unit ADU that is attached to the property. It could be a garage conversion where you turn your garage into a one bedroom, one bathroom ADU, or you can go all the way to the backyard and build a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom ADU, all the way to 1,200 square feet. So it's actually just another house.
Okay, that's awesome. And can you tell me about the process? How long does it take to build an ADU?
So the basic process for an ADU, first you need to do the full set of plans, which is going to take from 3 to 5 months. It depends on the city. So we need to design the blueprints. Then we have to go with the structural engineering, the Title 24. Then we submit to the city and the Building and Safety Department. Then the construction, it can take from 3 to 7 months.
So some attorneys here are saying that you guys specialize in building compliance, and I wanted to see how you can help people that have illegal units or ADUs.
So great question. First, we start off with a site visit with the homeowner. We do a walkthrough in the unpermitted structure. Of course, we try our best to ask the homeowner exactly how he built the structure, and we try to identify and see exactly what the missing components are. If the homeowner doesn't know exactly how the foundation, the condition, the framing, we're gonna have to do some exposing. So number one, we would like to ideally expose the foundation. That's one of the most important components. Number two, we would like to expose some of the exterior walls to see if we have some insulation. Number three, we would like to expose some of the ceilings so we can see some of the framing, some of the insulation, so we can identify exactly how much work this unit will need. And of course, step number one, we would have to start off with architectural plans. So we would draw up as-built plans. Ideally, we want to match the existing plan. Why? So we can make 0 to no modifications. We're going to have to submit this plan to the building department. When it goes through all the departments, we're going to get the final approval. Then we call for pre-inspection. This is when we then start opening up the plans. We expose all the important components that are being called out in the architecture plans. So we can prepare and call for pre-inspection, meet with the building inspector. He's going to take a look at the building of the ADU, making sure that it matches the plans. And I'm going to show the building inspector that this ADU was built to perfection, so we can have as little modifications, little headaches, get this building up to code and receive a certificate of occupancy. And this is usually the best approach to legalize a unpermitted unit.
What sets you apart in the industry, and what services do you provide?
What sets us apart is that we are a full service company. We specialize in all kinds of legalizations and build. We make sure we assist clients with all kinds of troubles that they may have, if either they are under violations or either they just want to take care of something that they bought it as is unpermitted, and we help them to get to the right solution. So we are A to Z company.
Can you give us some common examples of building code violations you encounter and how your company typically helps resolve them?
Absolutely. We get a lot of people that come in here and they work with a contractor who didn't do the permits properly, or they didn't pull permits at all. A lot of people that purchased a property and didn't know that there was unlegalized space. Maybe there's an unlegalized rental unit in the back or unlegalized square footage in the home. We step in and we help these homeowners who sometimes feel very lost and don't know what options to turn towards. We help them legalize this. We're a full design to build firm, so we can help them get through the city with the architectural plans, structural engineering, Title 24, and then we are in charge of all the inspections. So we know how to deal with city inspectors. When an inspector comes to the property, we remain in charge and we make sure that they're not over-inspecting the unit.
Do you guys specialize in commercial buildings, residential buildings, or do you do both?
We basically do both. We cannot say no to our clients since most of our clients own multi-units, mixed-use buildings, and single homes. So we cannot pick and choose. Whenever there is a violation, whenever they need our help, we are there ready to help.
Wow, that is so amazing. And can you tell us a little bit about the process that you would go through to help a client?
Yes, we basically deal with all of the paperwork, all of the red tapes, and all of the bureaucracy involved, the city and the Department of Building and Safety. Some projects need architectural, so we provide architectural. Some projects required engineering, we do that as well. Some projects need survey, Title 24, soil report, whatever they need, we provide, and we do it all the way to the certificate of occupancy.
You guys are definitely the people to know when it comes to construction.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Danny.
You're welcome.